Revit Instructions Video 7, Part 2, Upper Cabinets and Counters. Putting in upper cabinets is best done from the first floor. Use your component tool and start typing in upper. And we're going to start with the corner again. 12-inch depth, upper cabinet, corner unit, wall. Place it along one wall and make sure that it's going to fit in the cabinet. Leave a little space between it and the wall because it will not snap. From your modify tools, use the align tool. And the second thing that you click on is the one that's going to move. So I want to first click on the wall, then the cabinet, and this will align it to the wall next to it. Back to our architecture tab, grab a component. This time we're going to use upper cabinet single door wall 18-inch. We'll place two of them, one there next to the corner cabinet and one next to the stove. Make sure it attaches to the wall and use your align tool again. Click on the corner cabinet and then the 18-inch cabinet. Click on the fridge and then the 18-inch cabinet. Back to our architecture tab, component. This time we're going to be using the 42-inch upper cabinet double door wall. Place it just a little bit away from the corner unit. Use your align tool. Click on the corner, then your 42-inch cabinet. We have one more cabinet to place up here. Back to architecture, component. And this time we're going to be using the 39-inch cabinet. Place it along the wall, leave a space between the end and your base cabinets. Use your align tool, base cabinet, wall unit. All of our base cabinets are in, and now we need to put in our countertops. So back in architecture, we're going to do this using the floor tool. Select the floor tool, generic 12-inch, edit type, duplicate, and we're going to call this one counter. Under construction and structure, click on edit and change the thickness from 1 foot to 0-1.5 or 1.5 inches. Click OK, double check, click OK. Change your height offset in your properties menu to 36 inches, 0-36. Apply, and now we can start drawing. Start with the easy one first. Use our rectangle drawing tool. Make sure that you grab the node at the back corner of the stove. Go over till it snaps to the fridge. Go up until you reach a counter depth of 2 foot 1 inch. For this L shape, it takes a little bit more work, but we're going to start here in the corner and we're going to use the line tool. Grab the node in the corner, over to your stove, up to 2 foot 1 inch, over until it snaps to the edge of the cabinet. You'll get a blue line. Follow this at a 45-degree angle until you get the next snap line. Make sure it says 45 degrees. And now we want to move all the way up to the end of our cabinets. Make sure it snaps to the end, back into the wall, and back down to where we started. Grab our rectangle tool again so that we can make a cutout for the sink. Make sure that you are grabbing just the sink, which is the smaller rectangle inside the cabinet. And when you've completed the drawing, green check mark. Now when I go to my 3D view, my kitchen has upper cabinets and a counter. The last thing I want to fix is this cabinet for some reason is a little short, so we'll select it, edit type, and we're not using this one again, so we can change the depth for this specific cabinet, and we're going to change it to 2 foot 6, 2-6. Okay, and then we need to drop it down to the same height as the other cabinets, which is over here in your properties under elevation. You want to do 4 foot 6 inches. And that aligns everything up and gives us a cabinet of the same height. This concludes Video 7, Part 2, upper cabinets, and countertops.